I'm Lovelies and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I create videos on business plus productivity. Those of you new here, I'm a business coach and a wellness advocate, and I'm the founder of two different initiatives, Empathy for You and YouLead. Definitely I'll be talking more about my initiatives in detail in today's video. Well, today's video, I'm going to talk about my income sources, 8 ways I actually make money. I've been wanting to create this video since a long time now. However, I was stopping myself because I see a lot of people struggling out there with respect to a constant source of income and given to the situation of pandemic and access of resources. So I used to think that after watching this video, people might discourage themselves. But let me tell you this, that I haven't had all these income sources right from the beginning. Like, I am working since past 2 years now. My entrepreneurial journey started 2 years back. So with experience and with my knowledge, I have been able to grow from one income source to multiple. Please let me tell you this, that whatever I'm going to mention in today's video, you can do it. Anyone and everyone can do this. What you need is basic communication skills, a good internet connection at home, and the hunger for growth. So take this video as a source of inspiration and different business ideas, and even you can get started earning with multiple sources of income. So without further ado, let's just jump into my sources of income, and starting with the first prominent source of income is mentorship. So I provide mentoring sessions, one-on-one mentoring sessions to budding entrepreneurs or anyone and everyone who wants to start their business. Now let me tell you how I got into mentoring sessions. So basically you see me doing a lot of things on Instagram and other social media platforms, and there I used to get casual DMs saying that, Shanmuli, how do you do this? Or Shanmuli, can you teach us how you do this? So there, this idea came into my mind that I can actually start mentoring students. I also help you solve your mindset blocks and provide you with right tools and strategies to improve your productivity. And I want to share this milestone with you because recently I achieved this milestone of coaching 100 plus entrepreneurs. And that's really an amazing achievement for me because it gives me that sense of achievement that I've been able to help so many of them, and oh my god, they're scaling their businesses to their dream level. So if you want to book a one-on-one mentoring call with me, you can go to the link mentioned in the description box below. All you have to do is to fill that form and my team will get in touch with you. My next source of revenue is online course. I make a significant source of revenue from these online courses. I recently launched an online course which is called a Startup to Skill Up. So this is a carefully crafted course, specifically training for the people who want to start their business from scratch. So I've included everything right from identifying your passion to generating your business idea to validating your business idea, launching your business and scaling it up. So basically you're going to learn A to Z of the business. This is a brief information about the course. However, I wish to make in detail video talking about the course and how I can help you make money. Also, I've already kickstarted cohort 1 with 11 amazing entrepreneurs who are ready to scale their businesses, where you get all types of assistance from me, all types of support from me. Also, there's a best part and a happy news for you. The applications for cohort 2 are now open. All you have to do is go to the link in my bio and fill out that form, because if you fill this form before the next 10 days, I'm going to give you a 50% discount on your course fees. So what are you waiting for? Just go to the link in my bio and fill out the form. My next source of income is affiliate marketing. So whenever I see or come across a product that I use and I feel that it could be useful for my audience too, then I do promote that, and when I promote the product, I get around 50% sales on it. However, a lot of brands, they reach out for brand partnerships. I have rejected a lot of them in the past too, because either they had a problem with the logistics or their products and services weren't able to satisfy me. And if that's the case, I don't think I'll be promoting it to you guys just for the sake of money. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, a lot of people make a lot of money with it, with that consistency and a good experience of building it up. However, for me, it really constitutes a small portion of my income. So my next source of income is freelancing. Yes, a lot of you don't know, but I actually still provide freelancing services to a lot of organizations. I also talked in my previous video about how I landed my first job as a freelance content writer when I was 18 years old. And initially when I started, I used to work for more than 10 organizations at one single point. I still love to do freelancing because of my love for writing. I provide content writing services. I also do provide social media management. So I totally love to do this and will continue to do this. However, at this point of time, I'm only working for 3 organizations, and I love to keep it limited, because the frequency of the work that these organizations give me is more than enough, along with my work for other ventures and other things that I do. So yes, this freelancing as a career option does make a significant portion of income for me. Moving to the next income source is my second venture, which is YouLead. I launched YouLead in the last year, 2020. The reason behind starting YouLead was when I started with my entrepreneurial journey, I didn't have anyone to go to for support and guidance. And I really feel that this is pretty much the condition in India when it comes to early stage entrepreneurs or first time founders or want to be entrepreneurs, that they don't really get that support and guidance from the people who have been there and done that. And that is why I established YouLead, where we are trying to bridge the gap between mentors and wannabe entrepreneurs by providing them right training and step-by-step guidance. So through YouLead, we provide different services such as one-on-one coaching, we provide group coaching, we also have YouLead membership, we have different courses and workshops related to entrepreneurship and business. So if you want to check us out, I'm putting the link in the description box below. You can find everything related to YouLead on Instagram. So moving to my next source of income is through webinars and workshops that I conduct. You have seen a lot on Instagram specifically about the online workshops and webinars that I conduct. And these are basically paid workshops. I get paid to conduct these workshops and webinars for you. They're either based on the topics of business, productivity, and some are related to mental health. Now, when it comes to paying related to this, it either is done in 2 different forms. So either it is the organizing institute or the team, they pay me according to my hourly speaking rate, or the second way is either through giving me a significant percentage from the workshop ticket sales. So this does constitute a profitable source of income for me. Coming to the last source of income that I generate is through stock market. So I basically started investing in stock market since last year. With the pandemic, I got that time really to sit down and learn about these concepts. I wasn't doing really good when I started initially, but with the consistency of learning and upgrading my knowledge and consistency of investing in stocks, I really got better with time. So now I do generate a good source of money from this income stream. So that's it for today's video, where I mentioned about 8 ways I actually make money by sitting at my home. And I hope that this video gives you that inspiration to start earning and not just rely on one source of income, but generate multiple sources of income. And I also would love to mention this quote that Warren Buffett said, and I've also mentioned this quote in one of my previous videos. Warren Buffett says that you shouldn't rely on only one source of income, but constantly keep making changes and taking steps to generate your second income, the third one, and so on. That's the exact thing I love about my generation, the millennial generation, that we aren't satisfied with only one source of income, but we keep making those changes and keep generating more multiple streams of income. And with that, we come to the end of today's video. So if you love this video and if you love the content that I'm putting, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get notified whenever a new video comes up. In next video, I will be talking about my signature framework for starting a business from scratch. I have never shared this framework with anyone in public. I just keep this framework, or I've just taught this framework to my clients, one-on-one clients and the people in my course. But I would be sharing this first time on this platform of YouTube. So please don't miss out on the next video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon if you want to get notified whenever the new video comes up. So that's it for today, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye.